For writing mail sending code in Node.js, you need to remember only two methods. This is the first one, create transport. Uh, let's call the instance created by calling this method as transport. So again on this instance you need to call that second method, that is send mail. So now you have two methods here. First is create transport, which takes one argument, which is a JSON object, and the another is send mail, that's called on the transport object, and it takes two argument. First one is a JSON object and the second one is a callback function. So let's go to the code. So here it is. First we are importing this node mailer package and creating a variable named node mailer. On that we are calling that the first method that we just now remembered, create transport with JSON object 1. Then on the variable created by this, the transport, we are calling the send mail method with two arguments. First one is a JSON object 2 and second is callback function. So let's see where these are defined. First go to JSON object 1. This is, so JSON object 1 takes a JSON object having two keys. One is service and another is auth. Service takes the service that you're going to use, like from Google. If we are going to send it over Gmail, then it will be Gmail. Similarly for other service providers. The second argument is auth. It will take your authentication detail again in a JSON form. So I have named it as JSON obj1_1, which is defined here. So it has two keys, user and pass. So you need to provide your user ID and password of the Gmail, of your Gmail ID, from where you want to send the mail. Okay, now we had another JSON object in the send mail method that is defined as like this. So this is a JSON object having four keys, to, from, subject and text. To is obviously the email ID of the person whom you are sending the mail. From is your email ID. Again same what you entered here in JSON object 1_1. Then subject, and the text contains the message body. Okay, now coming to that callback method, that was the second argument for the send mail method. So this is this is a function having two arguments, error and info. If there is an error, you can print the error, or else you can print, if it is success, then you can print the info.response. So we'll see it in action. Right now in this file I have kept a user pass and all those things as blank, which I cannot show here. So I have another file having all those things filled. So I'm going to use that. So here we are in command line. I'm going to write node and the file name, and before I hit print enter, let me open my mail here. This is my Gmail ID. So I'm going to hit enter. This is the last mail as of now. Okay, I'm going to hit enter here. It says okay 250 status code and 2.00 okay something, and then we have the mail here.